The Indonesian Association of Palm Oil Companies has noted that Indonesia's export of crude palm oil has returned to positive levels after CPO exports previously dropped following a CPO export ban implemented earlier this year. The association believes the demand for CPO exports will continue to increase in the next 2 months, with many countries continuing to buy CPO from Indonesia, including India. Metro Globe Network's Krishna Sam has more.
The Indonesian Association of Palm Oil Companies, or GAPKI, have noted that in the month of August, Indonesia's exports of crude palm oil, or CPO, have returned to positive levels. Based on data from Indonesia's Palm Oil Companies Association, Indonesia exported around 3 million tons of CPO in August. This matches Indonesia's export volume in August last year of between 2.5 to 3 million tons. Previously, exports of CPO dropped significantly following the Indonesian government's ban on CPO exports, which was implemented in late April until May this year. But now the Indonesian Palm Oil Companies Association believes that Indonesia's CPO exports will continue to increase in the next 2 months to come. For example, India has recently bought 2.6 million tons of Indonesian CPO exports worth $3.1 billion. More is expected, especially since Indonesia is the biggest palm oil exporter in the world, comprising 30% of the global market, and as Indonesia is still holding more than usual amounts of CPO supplies.
Ekspor kita tuh rata-rata memang sekitar 2 sampai 3 juta atau 2,5 sampai 3 juta. Nah, Agustus ini sudah di 3 juta. Lebih sedikit lah dari 3 juta. Artinya sudah kembali walaupun memang kita berharap harusnya lebih besar dari itu. Kenapa? Karena stok kita sangat tinggi. Stok kita itu di bulan Juni kemarin masih sekitar 6,6 juta ton. Sedangkan normal kita kan sekitar 4 juta ton, maksimum di angka 5 juta ton.
Meanwhile, on the supply side, Indonesia's Palm Oil Companies Association is predicting that in 2022, Indonesia can produce 50 million tons worth of crude palm oil and palm kernel oil. This will roughly match production levels in 2021 of 51.3 million tons. Such levels of production is projected to stabilize global CPO prices, which had previously dropped following an oversupply after Indonesia's CPO export ban was lifted in May.
Sekarang memang kondisinya itu harga minyak sawit dunia itu sedang turun. Jadi sekarang di sekitar 1.000 US dollar per ton untuk di Rotterdam. Permintaan masih berjalan terus. Pasar tradisional kita adalah India, Cina, Pakistan, kemudian Uni Eropa.
In June and July, CPO prices continuously dipped and even hit its lowest point of $970 a ton in August the 4th in the aftermath of the export ban, which caused an oversupply. It previously hit a high of $1,912 on the 27th of April, a day before the export ban. But now, as of the 22nd of August, crude palm oil prices on the CIF Rotterdam Index has risen back to $1,095 per metric ton.